Hey, this is Sampath. You are watching Sampath Soundeffects. Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to discuss about this Amazon Great Republic Day sale starting from January 25. I mean, from tomorrow to January 23. You are getting massive discounts on few of this smartphone. I am going to tell those things. And if you have a SBI credit card, you will get additional discount around 1000 to 1200, 1500 based on certain smartphones. You are getting discounts and some coupon discounts from Amazon. You can purchase later anything. First smartphone deal in this Amazon Republic Day sale is the Samsung Galaxy M51. This is an amazing smartphone. You will get Super AMOLED plus display at this price point of around 22,999 is the price, and you will get 2000 rupees coupon and 1500 rupees discount on SBI credit cards. So the effective price is like around 20,999. And for that price, it's an amazing smartphone. It's a monster smartphone. You're getting that 7000 mAh massive battery and 25 watts of charging and Super AMOLED plus display from Samsung. Generally, you'll get Samsung smartphones with Exynos chipset. This is a unique smartphone. You'll get Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G chipset with this smartphone. It's an amazing smartphone with this, and you also get quad camera setup with 64 plus 12 plus 5 plus 5 macro and depth and wide angle. It's an amazing smartphone for that deal. Yes, you will get like polycarbonate design. That is the only compromise, I guess, for this smartphone. Other than that, everything is very good in this smartphone. You are getting 6.7 inch that massive Super AMOLED display with massive 7000 mAh. This is an amazing deal. 64 megapixel camera. Every area, this is a very good smartphone. You can certainly look out for this smartphone if you are planning to buy a smartphone under 20 to 25,000. This is the best smartphone, you can get it. And if you don't care that AMOLED display, there is another option, that is Mi 10i recently launched. This is a 5G smartphone with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB storage. You are getting Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G chipset. This is an amazing chipset. If you want to know about that chipset, do press the card, you will get the video. You can certainly look out that. And Mi 10i comes with 750G and it comes with 120Hz refresh rate display. It's a LCD but faster display. If you want AMOLED, you can certainly look out Samsung M51, but it's not 5G. Then this 5G with 120Hz display, and you will get that 108 megapixel camera with this Mi 10i. Yes, it's 108 megapixel camera, main camera, and 8 megapixel ultrawide and 2 megapixel, and front 16 megapixel camera. It's 21,999. You will get 1100 coupon and 10% instant discount with SBI credit card. For that price, it's an amazing deal. It's good smartphone actually. You will get Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G and 5000 mAh of battery and 33 watt of charging. It's an amazing deal. You can certainly look out for this smartphone also. The another smartphone from OnePlus is OnePlus 8 Pro. This is an amazing smartphone for 54,999, and you will get 10% instant discount of SBI credit card. If you have a SBI credit card, you will get around 1500 extra off. 54,999 means 53,500. For that price, you are getting 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB storage. And good thing in this smartphone is you will get that 48 megapixel Sony IMX5T6 sensor as ultra wide angle, so that this is a very good smartphone. And you will get 865 processor and 120Hz fluid display, AMOLED display, and it's a very good smartphone overall. If you look at everything, everything is fine in this smartphone, OnePlus 8 Pro. Yes, it's priced a little bit higher than OnePlus 80, but still I recommend this smartphone because it has that wide angle, as I said. And next smartphone deal in Amazon Great Republic Day offer is the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max base variant, 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB. Are getting Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G chipset, which supports carrier aggregation, I mean 4G plus, and you are getting 64 megapixel Samsung sensor, but it's very good camera setup, and 32 megapixel front facing. You will get very good camera setup with Alexa built in, and its effective price will be like 14,999, and you even get 1500 rupees SBI card offer. So it's a very good deal for 13,500 if you have a credit card of SBI. It's an amazing deal. 664 of Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, 6.67 inch. You get 60 Hz display only. If you want good battery life, then you can certainly look out. If you want higher refresh rate, then you can look out for Flipkart deals. But anyhow, you have SBI card and you want Redmi device with MIUI, you can certainly look out for this offer. It's an amazing deal. One more smartphone from Redmi itself is the Redmi 9 Power. It's an amazing deal if you are looking a smartphone for parents, older people, and then this is a very good smartphone because it comes with 6000 mAh massive battery with 48 megapixel camera, and you are getting full HD display for 10,999 price. If you have that SBI credit card, it will come for 9,999, I guess. Yes, 1099 SBI card offer. So you will get it 9,999 price point. For that price, it's an amazing deal. You will get Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 processor. It's a good chipset for that price point. Yes, it's not for gaming. Next deal from Samsung itself, again Samsung M21. It comes with Exynos 9611. If you are planning to buy with HDFC credit card, you can certainly look at F41. If you are planning to buy with SBI credit card, then you can certainly look at this Samsung M21. Same smartphone only, but this comes with 48 megapixel camera, rear camera, and 64GB 4GB of RAM. You are getting 9611, and for 12,500 and 1250 rupees extra instant discount with SBI credit card, you are getting Super AMOLED display from Samsung. This is the only smartphone I think available who want that Super AMOLED display for this price point, and certainly you can look out, and it has 6000 mAh battery, so you can certainly look at this offer also. Apart from these smartphones, you can certainly look at Redmi Note 9 Pro and OnePlus Nord smartphone. Redmi Note 9 Pro, it comes with 720G chipset and 18-watt charger and 48 megapixel. You can certainly look at Redmi Note 9 Pro and OnePlus Nord with Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset. If you want better camera, then you can look at Vivo V20 Pro. If you are like that kind of person who want selfie camera is main priority, then you can certainly look at Vivo V20 Pro, which comes with 44 megapixel front facing camera plus 8 megapixel ultra wide angle, and you will get that Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G and Super AMOLED display. You can certainly look out that smartphone also, and you can even look out, if you don't mind AMOLED displays, if you can okay with LCD displays but want that higher refresh rate up to 144 Hz refresh rate, then you can certainly look out Mi 10T series also. They come with Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor. You can certainly look at those smartphones also. And that's it. These are the deals, and I will give the link of the Amazon and Flipkart. You can find other also, and if I forgot any deals, do comment down below. And if you are still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button and allow the notifications, so that you will get similar kind of videos first you, and share this video who are willing to purchase a smartphone in this 3-4 days. That's it. Bye, take care, see you in the next video.